about to add page numbers in Google Docs to specific pages only. This video is for the people who want to add page numbers from the second page. Maybe this page is like your cover page, right? And you don't want to put the number in here. All you want to do is follow these simple steps that I'm going to show you. So, first, come to the page that you want to start your page numbers from. Then, copy that page till the end. After you have copied everything, delete everything, or make sure in this document there's nothing but the page that you don't want the number on. Then press on New tab, and then search for Google Docs. After you have made a blank document, paste everything here. I'll press on Insert, then press Page Numbers, then here add page numbers. After you have done that, go back to the first document. Here, press Files, then Download as a PDF document. After you have done that, go to your second document, and here also download this file. So what we're going to do is merge these files together. So search online for file merge. It doesn't matter what website you use as long as you have both the files. So let's say I want to choose this website. After you have uploaded both your files, I want to make sure they're in order. I want to put it in the front. Now you want to press finish. Now download that file. Open that file. As you can see, after you have opened this document up, I can see that it's just on those pages and not on the cover page. If this video helped you out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if y'all need any more help.